Have you ever wondered what affiliate marketing looks like? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of affiliate marketing with all the facts and information? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of all the information and small points of affiliate marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about affiliate marketing programs, get the facts and information you must have. Now let's get into it. When it comes to internet marketing today, affiliate marketing has become recognized as one of the easiest ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. Thousands of people around the world are able to replace their full-time income with affiliate marketing programs. The reason it has become so popular is the fact that you do not need your own products to get started. For many people, this solves the what next syndrome. Most of us got started online trying to learn how to market on the internet only to find that we didn't have products to market and sell. Affiliate marketing has solved this problem. You can find literally thousands of affiliate programs online today. From the smallest business owner to the corporate giants of the business world. If you're not sure this is true, go to any website that sells products or services to the mainstream. You will find they have an affiliate program somewhere listed on the site. Companies like Amazon, eBay, Target, PayPal, and even Walmart all have affiliate programs. Over the last couple of years, you will find that even the smallest business on the internet probably has an affiliate program. The first thing you have to do is to find products that you have an interest in. It is always easier to market products that are of particular interest to you. You may even have some previous knowledge of the product subject. Then all you have to do is make sure the company that you are signing up with is reputable. If you are just starting out, the best thing to do is sign up at a place that has been around for a while and is known for processing payments properly. Start out by going to places like ClickBank or Commission Junction. Also, do a Google search for affiliate programs to get a lengthy list of possibilities. Once you have decided on a product to promote, then the real work begins. The big secret. The secret to affiliate marketing is simple. There is no secret. Successful internet marketers have been creating this huge buzz around affiliate marketing lately. It's almost as if affiliate marketing is its own unique entity. Almost as if it were separate from the rest of the internet marketing community. What many people do not understand is that affiliate marketing is no different from internet marketing. The only difference is that you are promoting someone else's product. That's it. No more and no less. There is so much overpriced information on the internet about how to make a fortune with affiliate marketing that it becomes overwhelming to the new or average marketer starting out online. Here's what you really need to know without all of the hype and fluff. Successful affiliate marketing requires the same tasks to be done as any online marketing venture. First, you will need a capture or squeeze page to start building your own list of customer email contacts. The first mistake people make when starting an affiliate program is that they usually only promote the web page that is given to them for free. The problem here is you can't track your results. Most importantly, most marketers have their own squeeze page, so as you are driving traffic to that web page, you are helping them further grow their own list. Not yours. That's how they get you to build their business. Pretty clever, right? So you are promised a commission for your sales efforts, and all the while building someone else's business. So in a nutshell, it's like this. You spend your time and effort to drive traffic to a website. You flood the internet with all of your marketing ideas and promotions. Then you receive only a portion of the profits. Not a bad gig if you can get it. Right. So, I strongly suggest if you are going to take the time and effort to market someone else's product online, accept no less than 60% for your efforts. Second, you will need the plan to start marketing your product to the public. There are many ways to get the word out about your product or service. I personally love free advertising. It does take a little longer to get up to speed, but in the end, the results are usually the same. I have friends of mine that love to use pay-per-click advertising. PPC, Often using PPC, the results will vary, and you always need to keep track of your budget to make sure that your paid leads are actually worth the money you are spending. The great thing about pay-per-click is that the advertising is in front of a very targeted audience. So basically, it comes down to your financial budget and the forms of marketing that you wish to try out. Next, you will want to set up your own capture page. If you are not skilled at making a web page, that's okay. There are several free resources online that are basically a copy and paste format. By having at least one page of your own, you will be able to start generating your own customer list. This is ideal for you because if you want, you can still use the free affiliate marketing page and be generating your own customer base at the same time with your capture page. This is the most important step for all successful internet marketers. Think about it like this. You may only have one product in mind. What about future products? Eventually, you will need to market different products. How great would it be to have a list of 1,000, 2,000, or even 10,000 people who have already agreed to receive emails from you? This is the real gold mine. When you hear that it's all on the list, that's the truth. If my house was on fire, the first thing I would grab, other than my family members, is my list. This is how you build long-term customers, my friend. I could write all day about affiliate marketing, list building, and internet marketing in general. I truly hope this information has been helpful to you. If you read it closely, you will save yourself time, money, and lots of lost effort that could otherwise be used usefully. I cover many marketing topics as well as a free affiliate marketing course on my blog. Stop listening to all of the so-called gurus and just focus on the task at hand. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about affiliate marketing programs. Get the facts and information you must have. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.